VA claim process is in multiple parts. First, you make an initial claim. At that stage, if you're denied, you can now hire the services of an attorney to help you with an appeal from the initial denial, and that can be done at either the decision review officer level or on appeal to the Board of Appeals in Washington, D.C., or if your claim is turned down by the Board of Veterans' Appeals, there is recourse to the courts, usually to the Court of Appeals for Veterans Claims in Washington, but it is possible for these claims to go even further to the Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit, also in Washington, or even to the Supreme Court in Washington.